Hello everybody, I'm Janice, owner of Magic Hair Company located here in Culver City, and today I am going to show you our very popular and on sale right now unit number 151. So to find out more details on this unit, go to our website magichaircompany.com and in the search enter 151 and all of the details on this lovely lady right here will come up. This is a 22-inch wavy unit in a natural color with our standard small cap, 150 density. The normal price is $1,025 and right now it's $75 off online. So for styling of this hair, we just pre-washed it with our beautiful shampoo and conditioner. We have our very own shampoo and conditioner here. So we use the Magic Hair Company shampoo and conditioner. I'll show you guys right now. These are available online at magichaircompany.com. They're available in our Culver City store, and they're also available on Amazon. And then after we shampooed and conditioned this beautiful unit, we added a little bit of our hydrating curl definer and amplifier just to get those curls popping. And let me tell you, this product smells amazing. And then we also have our Edge Tamer Hairline Soother that you can put on your edges, and you can also put this on the baby hair of our beautiful unit here. So I'm going to show you a little bit more about unit number 151. You can see the natural colors right here. This wig is in the natural 1B, and as you can see, it's not a jet black, it's not a hard dark color, it's just a natural 1B, which is a mixture of browns and blacks. We do custom coloring here, so if you want the unit to be jet black or purple or green or highlights or ombre, we can definitely accommodate that here in store. So when selecting this unit online, just select the drop down right next to it that says, yes, I would like to be contacted for a custom color consultation, and then my lovely colorist will give you a call, and you can figure out all the details on how you want to custom color this amazing unit from Magic Hair Company. So let me show you the hairline here. This is what our standard hairline looks like right here. We can cut the lace for you. We can either do that if you shop with us in store or online. We can cut the lace for you. Hope you guys can see that. I'm gonna put it on for you so you'll also get a better view. But this is what our standard hairline looks like. This unit has a not standard middle part. We've just dried it this way, but because it's a full lace wig, you can definitely change the part however you want. It'll be easier to see that once I put this on. Let me show you the inside cap construction. So inside of our full lace wigs, we have two combs right here above the ear, and there's also a comb right here at the nape, and we have our Magic Hair Company tag right here. This cap construction here, it has a stretch cap here, and this Swiss lace right here is nice and firm, and we do pre-bleach the knots for you, giving you a natural look right out the box. We also have these adjustable hooks here on both sides, so you can just make the unit smaller or larger to fit exactly how you want. That's why we have a standard cap size that can typically fit 95% of my clients. But if you absolutely want a custom cap, we can definitely accommodate that. Now I'm going to show you this new and improved strap that we have on our wigs. So we've not always, but over the last year and a half, we've included this black tension band, but now our tension band is adjustable. So it's very similar to the hooks on a bra strap. You simply unhook it, and then you can make it tighter or looser, whatever is your preference. So you just hook it in like so, and there you go. So this black tension band, you wear it at the nape, and then that pulls down all of this front tension here. So let me show you what this hairline looks like. You can put the unit on two ways. You can either put the strap on first and then bring the unit behind it, or you can do both at the same time. For this video, I'm gonna do one at a time. And then you just get this comb here, and I'm going to anchor the comb in to this black band right here. So now that that's anchored in, it gives me a smooth hairline here, and I can flip the unit up there, and then I just need to adjust the front hairline. This lace right here gets cut off before you wear the unit. We can cut this lace off in store, or if you purchase online, you just simply click the drop down that says, yes, please cut the lace for me, and we will gladly cut the lace for you. Now there's also 2 combs on the side here, so you just reach up, anchor one side, anchor the other side, voila, you're good to go. So this is wig number 151, a body wig, 22-inch full lace wig. Let me show you what this looks like when I stand up. I am 5'8". So this is where this falls on me here. This is our standard 150 density. So this is what the 150 density looks like. And I love this thing. So yeah, this is unit number 151. It's full lace. You can see the beautiful hairline right here. There is baby hair all the way around this perimeter. So let me show you this. There's baby hair all the way around, including in the back. So let me show you the back hairline. You can pull the unit up into a full ponytail. You just need to make sure that the back comb is secure back here. And then this is what the nape of the unit will look like. There's baby hair all the way around the sides here, so if this is properly installed, and the unit is designed to be glueless, so you don't need to glue it down or tape it down or anything like that. You just need to install it properly. You can trim the baby hair, you can style it how you want, but yeah, you can definitely wear the unit up. And it's full lace. So if you wanted to do a part down the middle or a part down this way, you definitely can do that. And it's amazing quality hair, as you can see. So I'm going to show you the cap is nice and secure. And yeah, as you can see, this wig is not going anywhere. So one thing you want is definitely a wig that's not gonna go anywhere. You want the hair to not tangle in the wind, and you wanna look fabulous all day. So shop with us here at Magic Hair Company, where we can custom make you a wig. We can also custom color the wig, and we can do a professional installation right here on in our in-store salon. This is wig number 151. This is a 22-inch body wig, full lace wig from Magic Hair Company, and it's on sale right now at magichaircompany.com. Shop with us in-store or online. Magic Hair Company, changing lives one custom wig at a time. See you soon.